Well, good day once again, Jason Haines, QPL Rural here with another look around the Riverina at what's been happening in agriculture. Well, as per last week, harvest is coming to a close in a lot of areas across the area. Still quite a few headers running. Some mixed results throughout, obviously a bit lighter in the north there. One reporter up at West Wyalong was suggesting they averaged about 3 bags. Barley is the standout for most people, though, this year, as you would expect, with wheat and canola suffering with the dry conditions. For what cotton is in at the moment, generally it's looking good, although not liking these cooler mornings at the moment. The weather has been a bit all over the place, and that will affect that cotton going through the season. In water markets this week, well, Murrumbidgee water's last trade is around that $750 a megalitre. Zone 3 bore water at $220. Murray water's trading above the choke at $630 a megalitre and below the choke at around $875. That has dropped back since the Intervalley trade did open and then close again. So that top up of Murray water or water into the Murray from the Murrumbidgee has certainly dropped that mark by, probably $75 to $100 a megalitre there. Lachlan General Security water is trading at about $500 a megalitre. Murrumbidgee General Security on permanent trades is around that $2,150. High Security around $8,500 wet. Lower Murrumbidgee groundwater, that Zone 3, you're looking about $4,350 a megalitre. Lachlan General Security $1,150 and Lower Murray groundwater at $2,600 per megalitre for entitlement. Now, as I said last week, we do have a number of people looking to be in that Murray space with access to that Lower Murray groundwater. They're seeing it as an opportunity down there. So if you're sitting on a patch of ground that does have a deep lead bore, please give me a call. I've got people that want to know about it. Now, while we are talking water as well, I do have some supplementary water available, a couple of parcels there, probably equating to about 300 to 400 megalitres of supplementary water at the moment. So please give me a call if you'd like some Murrumbidgee supplementary water. Also, I do have some Zone 6 and Zone 7 entitlement. So this is Victoria Murray above and below the choke. This is high security water, should I say. So a good opportunity for somebody who wants to be in there or they are in that space and need high security water with permanent plantings. It can be transferred across on the New South Wales side of the river. So please give me a call on this one. This is a very unique opportunity and there's approximately 600 megalitres there for sale. While we are talking water, we might as well mention the convoy to Canberra that is happening Monday and Tuesday this next week, where a lot of our irrigators are heading towards Canberra to voice their or demand action on the Murray-Darling Basin Plan. This is an attempt by a lot of our producers to take the politics out of water and get some real action and use some real science and getting some results there for everyone concerned. So good luck to all those going to Canberra this week. In rural property this week, we are getting some renewed interest from our horticultural friends, both being annual croppers and permanent planters, looking at that horticulture space where they can secure underground water. It is more and more so being looked at as another form of high security water, which we've always known, but we are getting demand on properties with bores right through the Murray and Murrumbidgee areas. There's a lot of producers out there that have been relying on surface water. They wanted to have activity going forward and they're just not achieving it with their current surface water program. So they are looking to supplement it with properties that do have groundwater. So if you've got bore water at the moment or sitting on a property with bore and you're thinking about what the future might hold for you, please give me a call. There could be a number of options out there for you. Our other interests in the area, we are seeing upward price pressure on that grape market, dairy market and livestock markets at the moment, given what's happening throughout Asia and Europe with the swine flu there. So anything to do with livestock at the moment, or, as I said, grapes, potatoes, those sorts of things that are reliant on water are getting a premium at the moment. And again, if you're sitting on property that might be interested in this patch and investigating what your future holds in this space as well, please also give me a call. I would like to mention while we're talking at the moment, Homebush. This is a little property just south of West Wyalong at the moment. It's about 1,200 acres. Got a good 4-bedroom home there. Good set of sheep yards, a shearing shed. It's well set up and well fenced. This property at the moment is capable of grazing quite a number of sheep and would make an ideal livestock trading property. It's very well watered and is equidistant between Forbes and Wagga markets and Griffith as well. So you've got equal access to each of those markets. It's a great trading block and a good entry-level block. It is currently advertised and listed at $750 an acre. The vendor's pretty keen to see it moved on, and it is one that I reckon you can make real returns there if you get a good livestock-based operation going forward. Homebush is a very good starter block and well worth your inspection. As always, if you'd like any more information about any of our properties listed here today, please give me a call at any time on 0488 594 450. I look forward to catching up with you all again next week. Cheers.